Are you tired of watching your money vanish every month? Do you ever wonder how the wealthy seem to just have more? Well, guess what? It's not always about earning a massive salary. Often, it's about playing the money game differently. Today, we are cracking the code. We're revealing a surprisingly simple rule that many of the financially successful swear by. It's not some complicated financial jargon. It's something you can start using today. Get ready to unlock the vault to financial freedom with the 25-15-50-10 rule. Let's be real. We see the Lamborghinis, the fancy vacations, and sometimes we think, that's the life. But what if I told you that the truly wealthy often prioritize something else entirely? It's not just about showing rich, it's about becoming rich. Think about it. Would you rather have the fleeting high of a new gadget or the long-term security of knowing your future is taken care of? That's the mindset shift we are aiming for. Take a second. What will having more financial control actually mean for you? Less stress? More choices? Tell me in the comments below. Alright, let's get to the juicy stuff. 25% of your income, we are calling this your growth fund. This isn't for spending. It's for planting seeds that will grow into a money tree. Where do the wealthy plant these seeds? Here are some specific examples you can look into right now. Low-cost index funds. Think of these like owning a tiny slice of all the top companies. Check out the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, or the Schwab Total Stock Market Index, SWTSX. Even small, consistent contributions can explode over time thanks to the magic of compounding. Real estate crowdfunding. Want to get into real estate without the headache of being a landlord? Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with small amounts of capital. You can also invest in yourself. This is huge. Take that online course in digital marketing on Skillshare, learn coding on Codecademy, or finally master video editing on Udemy. These skills are assets that can pay you back for life. The key here isn't to get lucky, it's to be consistent and let time work its magic. Which of these growth strategies excites you the most? Life throws curveballs. That's why 15% goes into your stability shield, your emergency fund. This isn't for investing, it's your peace of mind money. The wealthy don't panic when the unexpected happens because they are prepared. How much should you aim for? In the past, I've suggested around 5 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Let's make this real. If your core monthly bills are $2,000, aim for $10,000 in this fund. Where should this money live? In a high-yield savings account that's easily accessible, but you are not tempted to touch for everyday purchases. Check out options like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Allied Bank. They often have significantly higher interest rates than your regular checking account. 50% for essentials. This is where you become a financial ninja, cutting out the unnecessary fluff. The wealthy are often surprisingly frugal in their day-to-day spending. It's not about deprivation, it's about being intentional. Let's get specific. Instead of eating out 3 times a week, could you reduce it to once and try some recipes at home? This could save you hundreds. Instead of a brand new car, could a reliable, slightly older model get you from A to B just as well? Think about where your money is actually going. What's one essential expense you think you could realistically trim down this week? Tell me in the comments below. Now here's the fun part. 10% for rewards. This is your guilt-free spending money. The wealthy understand that life isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about enjoying the journey. Use this 10% for that weekend getaway you've been dreaming of. That new gaming gadget, a nice dinner out, or whatever brings you joy. This prevents burnout and makes the whole financial discipline thing sustainable. Think of it this way. By being smart with your other 90%, You earn the right to enjoy this 10% without feeling bad about it. What's the next reward you're going to treat yourself to? I'd like to hear about it in the comments. All right, listen up. You now have the blueprint to start managing your money like the rich. No more feeling powerless. It's time to smash those financial goals. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to start implementing the 25-15-50-10 rule this week. Even small steps make a huge difference over time. Now, if you're ready to level up your finances and want more tips like this, hit that like button so YouTube knows to share this with others who need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense investing content. Which part of the 25-15-50-10 rule are you going to focus on first? Let me hear your plans in the comments below. Until next time, stay financially savvy. I'll see you in the next one.